Geo, if you have also Geo SIM and your network is switching to 4G again and again, well, in my case it is not switching because in my area Geo is much better 5G and much faster speed. But if your area does not, then first of all go on your SIM, then click on more settings, click on your SIM Geo. As you can see, operator, it has been selected Geo True 5G Geo, so you don't need to do anything on that. Go simply in your APN, also known as access point names, and paste these APNs. Put the name Geo True 5G. APN will be GeoNet, and you have to write GeoNet like this. And then in server you have to do www.google.com. But yeah, do not do anything in proxy, port username or password. Just in name write Geo True 5G. In APN you have to write GeoNet, server www.google.com. Then in MCC and MNC you don't have to do anything. In on connection type you have to do PAP or CHAP. If you doesn't want to do anything in APN type, not in APN protocol, do it IPv4, IPv6. In barrel you have to do NR. If your phone supports NR well in GeoSIM, then it will be better. Or if your phone is 4G, then do LTE. Well, my phone is 5G, Realme P3 5G. Well, never mind. So then check your speed now. Let me show you my speed right now. The ping is 16 jitter ms10 and the speed in my area. Ping ms16. What the heck? It's lagging maybe. What? Sorry guys, it's a problem in speed test app. Let me change my server first of all. Now look guys, I've gotten 500 Mbps very easily and 50 Mbps upload.
झोपड़े में कौन रहना चाहता है साहब, लेकिन हम सबके पास कोई काम धंधा नहीं है साहब, इसलिए कमरा भाड़े पे चढ़ा के 2 टाइम का खाना खाते हैं साहब। अभी जैसे कमरा दिला है साहब, ऐसे कोई काम धंधा दिला तो बहुत मेहरबानी होगी साहब।
So in the speed test you can see I get much higher speed right now.
आज आप जो कुछ भी खरीदें, चाहे वो माचिस हो या मोटर कार, सुई हो या सोना चांदी, एयरप्लेन हो या एरोप्लेन, सेल्स टैक्स हर के खरीदेगा। सेल्स टैक्स सरकार का हक है। अगर आप 1000 रुपए का सोना खरीदते हैं तो
So guys, I can also show you something. In my this video which I have maken, yeah, this one I have gotten, look. Look, I have gotten 750 Mbps and 800 Mbps. So in my area, it's a very better speed of Geo, as you can see on my screen. So after if you're in your area it doesn't, if Geo sucks, then you can do that APN which I have already showed in the video. Okay, thank you guys.